Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start measurement of national income. Before that, we have completed so far in the class how to calculate national income. The basic point of the national income also we have completed. Now we will do today the flow of output, production method, income method, and one is expenditure method. There are the three methods. But before the production method, I would like to explain in front of you the value of output method. IC, intermediate consumption goods, and value added goods, GDP and MP. So let's see the first point here. The value of output means the total production during an accounting year within a country, that how much goods and services produced by all producer we will be include in the value of a output. A producer can be produced the goods, it means the two direction, either sales or keep in stock. The sales plus change in stock, this is a formula of value of a output. The sales may be there two types, one is the domestic sales and plus exports, and change in stock we know very well change is going, so it's a closing stock minus opening stock, and plus value of output also include here the production for self consumption or the imputed utilize of goods. So first sales, then change in stock. The gross word is also come here, gross value of output. The final output of primary sector, secondary sector, and total produced in the tertiary sector. This another way also we can calculate here sales price multiply quantity, total goods, then multiply the price of their concerned goods. Change in stock already complete here, closing minus opening. Imputed also production for self consumption, sales domestic. Gross value added. Now the next word is change here. The one is here that we have written the output point, but here the one point added. There is a difference between added and output. Total gross value of output minus IC intermediate consumption. So it's a calculate here gross value added. How much goods, how much value, how much prices and profit we have added in the goods. We can see here the value of the output. Just we assume one lecture stand value is 1000. IC mean that wooden, mean that wood value, and we will be minus IC, then we can say that how much added by the carpenter. This is a gross value added. Intermediate minus कर देंगे, domestic purchase plus import. Net value added, this is a gross word is given here, the gross, but here that is net value. It's a N for net, N for net. How to calculate? How can convert the gross into net? Gross value added minus depreciation. Minus depreciation. It's become net. But it was the value on MP. We know very well what is the difference between MP and FC. For a kind information, I would like to share that FC is factor cost, MP is market price, MP is market price, FC is factor cost. Net value added minus net indirect tax. How to calculate net? Again, he has written here is a net word is net indirect tax. If you do minus, then plus subsidies. If you plus indirect tax, minus subsidies on the goods which is given by the government. One that way is tax, then either government also minus subsidies. This is a net indirect taxes. Net value added is equal to net domestic product. Both are equal. See again that net value added or net NDP. Also we can write here NDP, ND, NDP. Both are equal. Both are equal. NDP, net domestic product NMP or NDP. Both are equal. Net national income after NDP, D for domestic. Domestic is within the country. Now we want to make it national income. So we will be include net factory income from abroad. So here the net value added plus net factory income from abroad. Net factory income from abroad. Net factory income from abroad. Factor income received from abroad minus factory income payment to abroad. We will be included. So this is become our net factory income abroad. Let me see that recording. Then again next point I will share with you. Just a minute.